Sure, thank you. I got to the place where I realized that as long as what I'm looking for a savior in my external, I will be on the path of the seeker. And I will be seeking for something. I will be seeking for my savior or my validation in my external. And by letting go of seeking is when I found. So I let go of seeking for my salvation or seeking for my savior in my external. And I just stopped. And then I went within. And then I found that there's nothing to be saved. The idea that I need saving is what keeps me on this external quest of looking for my savior. So when I stopped, I dropped the idea that I needed saving, where I dropped the idea that there is something wrong with me. Then that is the not enoughness that I always felt. So I couldn't find it. I searched for it everywhere, I think for lifetimes. But what made me find it was when I stopped searching for it in my external.
Sure. Michael, I love that so much. As long as you're seeking, you're going to continue seeking because there's nothing to seek. You're already it.
Yeah.
And, for me, the suffer continues because we find it so challenging to accept that we're it,